Welcome back to Main Course with Annie, the kitchen edition. This week, I'm going to tackle the backsplash, but instead of tiling, I'm going to use stencil and paint. This is an inexpensive way to update your kitchen, and it eliminates the cost and the mess of using tile and grout. When it comes to affordable backsplashes, there's a few options out there. There's this one, Peel and Impress Tiles. Check your local Ace. There's also these adhesive stencils. This is the one I'm gonna choose. Before we get started, I need to clean the walls, and I've gotta show you the paint color. I chose Magnolia Home by Joanna Gaines, the color Blue Skies. I love this color. It's slightly different than my cabinets, so it's gonna be a beautiful accent above my stove. The stencil is up. I've got my paint. Now I'm not going to use a brush because I only want to use a little bit of paint and I don't want it seeping through that stencil. I'm creating this backsplash over the stove, but you could go the entire backsplash of the kitchen. This is a great project for leftover paint. The base color is Magnolia Home by Joanna Gaines Blanched, and this accent color is called Blue Skies. All of her colors are specially curated so they all match. That project just took me a little bit of time and didn't disrupt my home. It's a great addition to my kitchen makeover and adds a little bit of Annie flair. Keep watching to see how I use leftover paint to create an accent wall using a kitchen sponge.